So now we're going to look at probability 18B, and again we're working with percents a lot, and then with probability there's always percents and fractions to deal with, so we need to understand and be able to handle those types of problems easily. So in this case we are talking about the price of a new boomerang was $453, and now we're looking at what Fenwick actually paid was $376 of the 453, and we want to actually calculate what percent of the original price did he pay. So really we're asking this question: what percent is 376 of 453? This is what we paid, this is what it should have cost, or the original cost was, and the question now is what percent is that? So really what we're asking is what would this be if we took it out of 100? And the idea would be to reduce the fraction to out of 100. So we're going to do that in this case just by going ahead and using a calculator and doing what we do with percent problems and dividing 376 divided by 453, and it's going to give us a decimal answer, and we want to change that to a number out of 100, so we're going to multiply it times 100 to move the decimal point over 2 places, or you could just do it in your head and know that moving it 2 places is going to make this 83.00 and a bunch of other numbers, and so we're going to round that off to 83 out of 100, which now gives us a percent, 83%, and that's what we want to do when we calculate percents. Now, if we want to just simply ask how much money did Fenwick save, we're just going to subtract the 376 from the 453, so we can just get the actual amount, 453 minus 376, and we get the $77 that Fenwick saved. So that's 77. These are all dollars, so I'm going to put dollar signs in just to remind me that that's money. And then the last question is, what percent of the original price did Fenwick save? Well, we know that if he paid 83% of the original price, then what he saved was the difference between 100% and 83%, or in this case 17% is the amount that he saved. If he paid 83%, 18% off of the original price, and so that tells you how much he saved from the original price.